Yet another teaching moment drop in the lap of the Maverick again this evening. And ironically, it involves outstanding young St. Andrew technical goalkeeper, Jadine White, again. This time, during that Manning Cup playoff game between St. Andrew Technical and St. George's College, deep into the first half, St. George's takes a free kick from the right flank. Goalkeeper White soars high and plucks the ball out of the air. He then fell to the ground and let go of the ball, and the ball rolled across the goal line. Why was that not a goal? Why was it not a goal? Remember now, the referee did not blow the whistle initially, so there was no foul. And if there was no foul, that's supposed to be a goal. But have no fear, the Maverick turns to the relevant section of Law 5 that says, the referee shall allow play to continue until the ball is out of play if a player is, in the opinion of the referee, only slightly injured, or the referee can stop play if, in the opinion of the referee, a player is seriously injured. Neither of those scenarios took place. The ball never went out of play, and the referee did not stop the game initially. That right there is a goal. The referee did not blow the whistle before the ball crossed the line. The ball was still in play. That was a goal for St. George's College. And look, we're not targeting or attacking the referees. And we're not fighting against stats because them done gone at the semifinals already. We are simply keeping the referees honest and alert. What do you mean? We are keep the referee them on them toes. Keep them on them toes, man.